Hello team, how are you? After a long time again, because together you're all good. Let's see for the next coming draw. I will be showing you today all these papers in one video because I'm going to travel. So you please take a look at all and hopefully we'll get the number this time. This one, as you can see, different years, and the difference between these are 282. So 978 minus 696 is 282, and all of these. And we are finding the 2 number after this. Check here. 663. 1 second, please. So we have 663, and here we have 356. So touch, we have touch. Here 6, 6, and 3. The next one, we have 6, 4, 6. Here 6 and 4, touch. Here we have 1, 7, 3. Here 7 is touch. Okay. The next one, 3, 6, 7, and the result was 696. So 6 and 6 here, touch. Next one, we had 988, and here we have 8 and 9, touch. For the coming draw of a 16, we have 9, 6, 4. So touch 9, 6, 4. 9, 6, 4. It's touch or pair for this paper. There are more results and tricks that I take out from this, which I keep for the next videos. Let's go for the next paper now. Okay guys, this is the second paper, okay? And let's check here in 2002 and 2025. Here we have 405, 4 touch, 594, 4 touch, 585, 8 and 5 touch, 552, here 5 is touch. 705, here 5, and here 5 we have touch. So we check like basically one number upper, right? So like this, like this, like this, like this, and 6696 touch, as you can see, and 106978 here, no touch. Then we have 106, 6 again, 26, touch. 789 here, as you can see, 8 and 9, touch. The next one we have 805. So touch for 16 November is 805. Correct? Touch 805. Again, there is more calculation things. We'll keep it for the next video. Let's go and jump to the third paper. Now, before we jump, there are many things, as I said, more. But, for example, this one, if you can see, this is from 2020 until 2025. And if we check here, we have in this line, so, and we are looking for this month of the year, right? So if you check this line, you can see that 391, so we have 1 here. Here we have 261 and 61 here. 594 and 9 is touch. 453, this one. Miss 041, so 1 is here. Here also we have 852, so 8 and 852. It's touch, it can be 5025, 8880, whatever. But these, we keep in mind that 5 and 8 are common. There are 3, 4 more touch, but I'll jump to the next paper. No. Okay, team. This is the next paper one that I'm going to show you. This is for the last draw. The difference numbers are the same. 1990, 19, 2025. The first one is, check here, is number 6. 6 minus 3 is 3, and here is 3. And here we have 7 minus 3. Okay, that's 4. And here we have 4. So 8. I apologize for that. 8 minus 3 is 5. And here, a chance of starting can be 5. This is one thing. And another thing, if you guys, with this one I'll show you in the next video, this one we need to plus and minus 189. It will give you a very, very interesting number. This one for this, and there is another thing here. We keep it for the next video. For now, just keep this in mind. Okay, team, let's go to the next one. Again, this is, you have seen in many videos from the last month, so we get already many things from this before. If we check here now, if we go with touch, here we go with touch. So 952, here we have 92. 8 and 7, here we have 7. 5, 7, 8, here we have 7. So now we have 3 and 9. Okay, 3 and 9 is one touch. Another touch is here in this line, which is 9 and 0. Here we have 9. And here we have 893, again 9. Here we have 872, here 7. And for the next one is 6 and 4. If these two come true, so easily we can find the pair. Here, I will write the pair 3634 and 9694 as the pairs, possible pairs. Okay. For the coming draw of 16 over. Keep these in mind. So we have 3, 9. We have 6, 4. Let's jump to the next paper. Okay, the next paper is this one. Again, many of you have seen this before. Whoever joined our channel and you're new, please like, share, and let's grow up the group and the WhatsApp team. To be honest, one of the reasons that I don't post regularly because the channel is not growing that fast. Please help me share, like, and let's grow the channel. So we have 2 lines of touch here. Here we have, sorry for this mistake. Here we have touch, 8 touch. Here we have 6 touch. Here we have 4 touch, 147, and this one, as you can see. And here 3, 5, 6 for the coming draw. 3, 5, 6 for L16. Right. So 3, 5, 6. Let's go to the next one. Okay, team, here is the next one, and one of the most important one. It's very important because there is something hidden here. If you can see, we are going with these ones to find the middle digit of these ones. So we go with the middle digit, 4. Here we have 4, and here we have 3. So we keep 4, 1 up and 1 down, which is 5 and 3. So 4 plus 1 minus 1. 3 and middle digit 3 pass. Here 9, so if we write 9, you have 8 and 10. So 9 plus 1 and minus 1 or 9 itself. So 0 pass, as you can see here. 0 pass here, 3 pass. For this one we have 5, 4 and 6. So 5 pass. And for the coming draw we have 7 here. So 7, 8 and 6. So here we have 7, 8 and 6. So let's write it here. Let's write it here down. We have x 7, x 8, and x 6 for the middle digit. Cool, guys. Let's jump to another paper, which I believe many of you are waiting to see that one. Okay, team. Here come the magic paper. Who do remember these? Who does it? Let me know in these areas when we go month by month. 972 before that, and all was touch and in the same, but unfortunately this one, which was 898, did not work. Okay, so we do not continue this one for the touch anymore, because already touched like half a year almost. So now let's jump to one more important and very cool idea. Here we go for touch. This one, this one, this one, this one. As you can see, 1 touch, 4 touch, 3 and 1 touch, and here we have 3, 9 and 2. Okay, I'm not going with the formulas plus and minus. There are a lot. Today only touch numbers. Okay, let's go to the most important one. To the most important one, which is this one. Look at this. As you can see, here we go with 6, 4, 9. Here we have the touch. 972, 2 is the touch. 397, 39 is the touch. 660, 6 is the touch. 371, 3 is the touch. 595, 5 is the touch. 517, 5 is the touch. 438, 3 is the touch. 924 is no. Oh, sorry, 4 is the touch. 869, 9 is the touch. 854, 854, no touch. 858, 8 is the touch. So we have 462. 462 is the touch. Another one we have here, as you can see, 3 here, and here we have 3, 6 and 0, and here we have 6. In this line, 016, so 6 is here. 178, 78 is touch. 4 and 7, 7 is touch, and we have 563, and here we have 356 as the touch. If you go plus 1, as I said, I'm not going through the formula. I'll keep this for the next one. It's very, very important one. I was going through some, like what can be the pairs. These can be the pairs. These can be the pairs. These can be the full game. These can be another side. Okay, we keep this for the next video. For now, for this video, we all know that the touch can be these. Okay, And the start digit number for me, it was 5, 0, 9, 8 and 9, 9 and 8. And if you want to know what was my last digit, all you need to do is check the last video that I post. In this case, we can find the game very easily. Till next video.